Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe in bright red on tan interior. So this one's got a nice wide body kit that's been put on it. It's all molded one piece. Looks absolutely stunning, as you can see. So there is no trunk area on this one, but we'll let it spin around. We'll have a look at the back end. So we'll just let it stop right here. There it is. So it's got nice circular tail lights on either side. There's no exhaust pipes on the rear because they're side pipes. It does have the fuel door, which has painted trim around it. We'll pull that up. It's got the cap inside as well. There it is. Push that back closed. It's got the lovely rear window that curves around on the sides. Look at the paint on this thing, just glimmering. What a machine. So I'll spin it and we'll have a look at the rear tire. So just as I mentioned, you can see that's all molded one piece bumper and body. And then here's your rear tire. So we've got nice Michelin Pilot Sport all season 4s on there. One of my favorite tires. The rears are a 275/40 ZR17. So those look fantastic. And we do have disc brakes in there. Looks great. There's the exhaust pipe in the molded side molding there. Looks awesome. So we'll just step up here to the passenger side. We've got a full custom tan interior. So you got your door release, your front window, and your back window crank down there. Look at the leather and the detail to the interior work, just fantastic. Even the doors for the electrical going into that door, it has the pins there. And just have a look at the kick plate here. There is some little minor scratching, as there usually is in these older vintage vehicles, but overall looks great. We've got the tan carpet, and we've got the nice racing bucket seats with full seat belts there. So we'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And I'm just going to show you in the back seat. It's full custom and it's got a roll cage with speakers back there. Looks great. So as we get in, just have a look at that door frame. It is nice and tidy. Looks great. Here's our glove box. I'm not sure how to get this open, but let's see here. There it is. I got it. So there's the glove box. It's got the liner in there. Looks good. So we'll close that up. There we go. Have a look at the upper portion of the dash. Looks good. And we'll hop out. We'll close this side up. And I really like the design with the doors that come over the top. As you can see, we've got upgraded handles. So it looks like a C5 Corvette handle as well as C5 mirrors. Really good look on this car. And I'm just going to step to the back here and spin it around. We'll have a look at the side condition here. Paint looks just stunning. And here it is from the front. So you can see in the vents there, it's got the headers going down the side. We've got the gills here on the front fender. Again, this is all molded, all one piece all the way along. And then we've got our front wheels. So again, we've got Michelin, where they pilot AS4s. And on the front, we've got a 245/40 ZR17. So under the hood, we've got a 327 V8 motor, and that's paired to a 4-speed Muncie manual transmission. And as you can see, everything is nice and neat and tidy. We've got an upgraded aluminum rad with power fan. We've even got the aluminum rad hose there, and the rest of the hoses as well. We've got a shut-off for the battery, and upgraded wires and some chrome bits on some of the other parts as well. Looks great. Here's the inside of the hood with hood struts. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. Closes just nice and easy. It's a really, really nice fit. So I'll just spin it around so you can have a look at the front end of this vehicle. I really, really like the headlights all tucked in under that nice front nose there. The front end just looks fantastic on this car. So I'll just scan around from different angles so you can see. Just gonna walk around the front. What a machine. And I'll take a close look here. The paint is in fabulous condition. We haven't touched it yet. We haven't done any of polishing or anything. There is a couple little marks I see here. little stone chips. There's a couple of them, so we'll touch them up when we polish the car. But overall, that paint has come to us in really good shape. So we'll spin this around. We'll have a look at the other front wheel. So there it is. Again, we've got the disc brakes in there with the Michelin tires. Looks awesome. And we'll have a look here at the back. There's your back wheel. Looks great. And again, nice side pipes. And here's the driver's door. So again, your driver's door release and the 2 window knobs, and just that leather work just looks awesome. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side, so overall good shape. And I'll scan up this seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as we get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. And we'll get in and we'll fire this one up. All right. There it is with the side pipe. All right, so we've got it running. So we've got our gauges along here. So on the left, we've got our fuel. We've got a battery below that. We've got our lights controls. So we'll put the lights on. We've got our wiper controls down here. Our speedometer shows 57,068. The trip shows 777.9. And then we've got our RPM gauge. It's working as well. Water temperature, oil pressure, and then our turn key there as well. Awesome looking steering wheel with the wood grain, Grant GT wheel. I'm 6'2" and I'm fitting in this car nicely. As you can see, my knees aren't in the dash. And here's our radio. So it's got a Sony deck. And then we've got a clock, and we've got our heater controls here. Again, just awesome leather work. Nice Hurst shifter here, 4-speed. We've got the ashtray, and there's our shift pattern, and then our window switches, and then a nice custom leather center armrest. Even above, look at this, we've got I guess you could put tissue or something up there, but very neat, custom. Looks great. So let's hop in with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. Great sound to it. All right, let's hop out. There it is with the side pipes running. Spin it around. There you have it, folks. That's a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, bright red with the tan interior, full custom wide body kit. Look at that wide rear end there from the back. What a machine. Here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward